is my Sparrow's clutch. It's not very... it's not very responsive.
Start that again. Just don't knock the fucking bike over.
Cut! So what happens here is my Sparrow's clutch is not very responsive. Just only at the very tip it starts being responsive, and it's annoying because it jumps on there. Stop laughing at me! I'm trying to explain what we're trying to fix. So, having another priceless lesson by Simon. You need to take the clutch cover off, and for that you need to even your bike, because there is oil in here and it's gonna leak all over the place if it is not standing straight. So we're using a flapjack, and because it's Harley Davidson SPORTSTER and I have mid controls, I need to take my head as well before that. I'm gonna do just that.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Okay. Adjust the cable and when to adjust here.
Cable is normally slack. Take the slack out of, but the biting point is normally at the engine.
Okay. Why we have to do both now today?
Well, I'm going to undo the cable to give us some slack. Blimey.
Slack is like looseness.
Yes.
So you loosen up?
Yeah.
Why the fuck?
Because what I'm going to do now is try and give you your play back. That's the lock. That locks it in place. And this.
So you're turning quite a lot.
I'm going to go here.
So it's
just so that there's a slight bit of tension there, and then I go back half a turn.
Why do you go back with half a turn?
Because you don't want it right at the end of its malarkey.
Oh, okay. What's malarkey?
Biting point.
Okay.
And you always want a little bit of slack. A little bit up here. Don't have it so it's a little bit floppy.
Yeah.
If you have it too tight, then when everything warms up, the cable goes tight as well, and the clutch drags on a little bit.
So you have to do a little bit.
Yeah. Put your little lock thing back in. That holds everything in place. Don't forget your spring. Don't forget your gasket. Your gasket sits in here.
Is it a particular way this goes?
Yes, it is.
How do you know? This is like the mark here.
Yes.
So where the mark goes?
Yeah, it's a little lump where the clutch cable sits.
Here. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't got this in yet. It's just falling.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you.
In here, see these the grabbers. There's 4 of them. I need to push the gasket onto them and it grabs them. It grabs the gasket.
Does it?
Yeah.
Does it seem to work?
I know. It's such a pain in the arse.
Is it?
And you can't deny we are not just killing time.
You are so annoying.
Me annoying.
What you got?
How is me annoying?
Grease all over the place, dirty.
That's it. It's on.
Come on, very carefully. You don't want that to be. That's top tip.
Top tip. Tip of the day. Grease on.
That's a bit there.
Yeah.
Once you push it on, don't let go, because the little spring will want to push it off. Oh, you dropped the spring. A little bit of grease in there.
Yeah. Here we go.
Right, don't lose that spring. Once you push the cover on, that's it.
That's it.
Not quite lined up yet.
I lined it up.
Opposite.
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
I wasn't explained that. I just been told that
So that you it bolts down evenly.
Your tummy is wrong.
I know. It's got roast in it.
Did you have Christmas pie? We have Christmas pie. It's like July now.
No, didn't have any Christmas pie.
By the time episode will be out, maybe it will be Christmas.
I don't like Christmas.
You like the pie?
Don't like the pie, don't
I
like
don't
the
like
cake.
the pie either.
Don't even know what Christmas pie is.
Which one is opposite now? This or this one?
This one?
In this one is the same distance.
Just put it in!
I bought you biscuits. Why are you still shouting on me today? I know you wish you had a girl instead of 3 boys.
No, I have a stepdaughter. Her name's Ellis.
Okay.
And she's
Lovely.
absolutely an amazing person. But I'm glad that
You had 3 boys.
I had 3 boys.
Okay. Top wrench. Apparently, having years of experience, you get a torque wrench built into your arm.
Hello, got a Harley, just put it up.
Don't we need a little bit of a Loctite?
Yeah, we do, yeah. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to FT these.
FT?
Yeah,
Fucking tight. FT?
And make sure that we our clutch points in the right place.
Ah.
No, you haven't got enough hands, have you?
It's okay, I can manage it.
Stubborn. Stubborn, yes. Stubborn. Is that FT?
I think so.
It looked FT to me.
You have built it.
Go on, FT. Right, so we need to test it so we don't put anything away. We might have to do it all again.
Okay.
And we're going to leave the spanners out because we've got to do that up after you've tested it.
Really good. Brilliant. That's how you adjust your clutch.